Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change Khan Academy avatar. So the first step is to open your preferred browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Now on the search bar, type in Khan Academy and scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now to change your avatar, you have to first log into your account, and after you log in, you can see your profile info on the top. And if you click on this current avatar here, then you can see different options that you can choose from. Now choose avatar as of your preference. Here I am choosing this one, and after that simply click on save. And following this simple and easy step, you have successfully changed the avatar in Khan Academy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.